up, VDub fam? This is Big Turbo update number 2. Thanks to those who are keeping up with the project, but we got more packages this week. Anyways, first package is our turbo oil and waterline kit from Mamba Tech. You can find them on eBay. This is the same exact kit that I used on the GT28R on the Jetta. Great kit, everything bolts onto the block and turbo, and the quality itself is real good. I haven't had any leaks or burning of oil ever since I got it on, so we're gonna use the same setup on the GTI. Now this is what we've been waiting for. Main cap bolts from ECS. Check this out, that's some bull. Got 10 bolts in the package. Now the crank can go in, then the piston and the rods. Next, we got a massive package from Euro Tuning. Total damage for this package, 1075. Again with the shipping, Euro Tuning. Come on, help us out, bruh. Rear main seal and oil cooler gasket. Of course, we got the Blue Gates racing belt. Now a long time ago, we did a stage 2 ignition kit from ECS Tuning. This time we are switching it up with a different kit from Euro Tuning. We got the genuine Bosch 2.0T FSI coils in red, with the Euro Tuning brackets in red as well. Here we got a crank gear. I ended up breaking the old one. Last but not least, we got the stage 2 daily clutch and flywheel from South Bend. This should support our power goals. We didn't get the full racing setup since it will be driven daily. We still got a bit more for the trans. We still need to get the throwout bearing. Also do a trans fluid change. But that's about it for this update, guys. We got the clutch, 2.0T coil conversion, some timing parts and turbo hardware. Since we got the bolts, the crank and the pistons will be dropped in. Keep an eye out for the video. Hit that notifications. Till next time, mahalo guys, and see y'all on the next one.